Whew, honey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you what fed my soul today. To everybody out there, if y'all didn't get a chance, please go over to Stephanie Perry's page and watch today's interview with Shar Winters. Honey, it fed my soul. You hear me? I'm in the middle of my journey where I've taken sabbaticals and stuff, and I plan to take another one very, very soon. So I'm at what you call my big girl panty phase. And sometimes they could get cold and uncomfortable. This video today it was like oxygen. It just reminded me of, what my mission is about. And this is the whole movement. If you want to make a change, if you have any type of trepidation, any type of doubts, I am telling you, these are resources that will help you counteract those different doubts and let you know, just give you confirmation and affirm that you are on the right path. Get rejuvenated, get rebooted, and even when you're in the midst and you think you're on the right path, sometimes you have to get a reboot. So once you start with one video, I will say you're going to find your own rabbit hole. You have Exodus Summit, you have Stephanie Perry, and today's in particular was like amazing to me with Shar Wynter. You have Sheeta on the Loose, you had Picky Girl Travel with Adelia. Just all of these wonderful outlets, wonderful information to help you get started on your journey. Say that you can't, it's because you don't want to. Let's say that. Extreme amount of information. It's a plethora of information where you could go ahead and get what you need. Get what you need and get started. There's help. There's definitely help. Go after it. If there's any doubt, no, they didn't ask me to do this. I felt like I needed to because it was just amazing. Like I said, it spoke to me, and I'm sure it will speak to you. So again, go forth. Don't doubt yourself. It's real. You deserve to be poured into. You deserve a break. You deserve a sabbatical. Don't let anybody guilt you, and keep pressing on. It is a movement. Until next time, bye-bye.